Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Unlock the iPhone and access the app switcher. Once there, locate the Waze preview card, swipe it up and off the screen to force close the app. Do this because closing stops active routing and conserves battery versus leaving it running in the background. Make sure Waze is not visible in the switcher anymore. If Waze restarts automatically, move on to the settings steps to prevent background relaunch, which ensures the app stays off until you open it again. Now, go to Settings and find Waze in the app list. Tap it to see permissions. Turn off background app refresh so Waze can't update or run tasks when closed, and toggle cellular data off if you want no network activity. Next, adjust notifications, switch them off to stop pop-ups while the app is closed. These steps prevent the app from relaunching itself and using location or data. They are important because force closing alone won't stop certain. Finish by limiting location access. Open Settings, go to Privacy, then Location Services and tap Waze. Choose never to fully stop location tracking, or while using the app if you want control only when active. Once changed, double-check background app refresh and notifications remain off, then reopen Waze to confirm it behaves, or don't open it and observe system behavior. If Waze still runs or shows location in the status bar, restart the iPhone. This clears lingering processes and enforces the new permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.